Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and we've got our structural model continuing on here, and we didn't finish the second floor in structure. So this one's going to be a little different because yeah, we want to look at this too. I got some openings here, show you how to do that. But here we need to fix this up a little bit in here because this is not going to be like that. We got a stair coming through here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my modified tag, and I'm going to just delete that guy. Now I got a beam system here. I can drop it now because I think that's good. I kind of don't like to drop these, but I don't know. We got a stair coming through. So for now, let's just leave that put for now. But we will need a beam here. Right to there. And then we'll do a plank beam system from here to here. Now these are going to be smaller. These are going to be 8-inch. This is up top. I'm not sure what we did with the bottom, but we're going to make these 8-inch pretty standard, carry a nice load. So then I'm going to go and create my beam system. And for this one, okay, what's going on here? I guess I'll sketch this one. Yeah, let's sketch it. I'll just pick a line. Let's pick this, this, and then clean it up. I don't like this way, but let's see what happens. Okay, boy. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Yes. And I'm going to just do this. So that's what's going on here. These are not really recognized as beams, but we can sketch. So I'm going to just go in here and I'm going to go structure beam system again. And this time I will sketch. Well, I'll pick line. Pick that line. That line. Uh-oh. That line. What happened there? Okay. I'm sorry, folks. My bad. Let's place them on grid. I don't want that. Okay, so we have the sketch here, and I'm just going to do a rectangular shape from there to there. Yeah, let's do it. And then I'm going to, yep, that's the right span, and I'm going to finish. Okay, so there we have our plank floor for that side. Now here, I think our stair is going to come through here, so we may wait on that. But this is going to be an opening, some kind of featured area here. But we do need, okay, so from here, we need another beam here. This will be a inverted T. We can probably use anything here, but I'm going to use a 12-inch inverted T right here. So we're going to just draw it from there. Come on. From there Should have did this in 3D. There. Okay. So now I'm going to need more flooring all the way up to here. Yes, so from here back, we need more flooring here. Actually all the way up. So I don't know what they're going to do in here with this curve feature here. We could do something in place in the field, but for now I'm going to leave that there and continue on now for the roof. Let's just go add some plank here while we're at it, because we're going to go here. I'm going to go bam, I'm going to go sketch. Now, what I did here, I want to show you a few things that I did here to make this so much easier for me. We've got the second level going here. We need to get our stairs in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably knock this back and keep this thing going. So now we got the architect's openings here, these windows. And then we need to get in here and finish the second level and do the wall layout. So hey guys, I'm going to leave it there. Get this thing going. Thanks for watching. This is our structural model moving right along. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye y'all. Be safe.